How to log into Honeywell Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Honeywell Employee Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Scroll down and navigate to this one website option. Open it. You'll be directed to this page. Now, first up, you have to select the language. Click on this drop down and select the language of your choice. Then click on Sign In. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is type in the credentials. Type in the username or the email address. After you type in, click on Next. And in the next page, you will need to type in the password and click on Done. And with that, you will be logged into your account. Or also you can use this option, Sign On with Code Key, to log into your account. So this is how you can easily log into Honeywell Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.